3, 2, 1, go!
It's the autonomous period, and we've got a couple robots moving on the red side. 4904, Bot Provoking, had it lined up, but just pulled back a little too far. But we did get 15 points on each side for these robots making their moves during autonomous. And now our human drivers take control, thinking, I'll give it another try. We're neck and neck. We got one gear, we got one rotor moving on both alliances. Back up to 55-55. It's a classic match where these robots are neck and neck, gear for gear. One more gear has been successfully delivered to the Blue Alliance airship, and they just need one more to complete that first gear train on the Blue Alliance airship. Looks like 64-29, they've got one stuck inside their machine. Over on the Red Alliance, Bot Provoking has one loaded up. They're loading it onto the davit of the airship, and it's being raised up in the hands of the pilots. Here comes one more rotor on the Red Alliance. They've got a gear in place. Still neck and neck at 55, but there's the second gear delivered to the Blue Alliance airship. They're ready to complete that drivetrain and get some more gears. Spinning it up, there she goes. It's the second rotor on the Blue Alliance airship, and they're now still neck and neck. 105-95 is only a 10-point game. As a reminder, those climbing aboard at the end of the game can be worth 50 points, so it's still anybody's match. We've got two rotors going on both airships now. Red Alliance pulling ahead to 145. Another gear delivered to blue, another gear delivered to red. They're working on their second set of gears for that third rotor. Only 2 gears needed on the Blue Alliance and 3 gears needed on the red. Blue Alliance pulling slightly ahead. They're a little bit closer to that third rotor as we have 41 seconds left. Big impact between 49.90 and Red Alliance. 41.59 as 49.90 makes their way back from their retrieval zone. But it's the last 30 seconds, and these robots need to get those extra 50 points to climb aboard and be ready for takeoff. The pilots are releasing the lines, and we have our robots going for the score. Red Alliance robots on their way aboard. 49.90 is ready for takeoff. 41.59 is ready for takeoff. We got Blue Alliance robots trying to climb up in the last 7 seconds. All 3 red robots are ready for takeoff on the blue. 3, 2, 1. We got 8-12 ready for takeoff, getting that extra 50-point bonus for the Blue Alliance right as time expires in match number 32. Match number 32 has a yellow card on 41.59 for reaching out of the port on the airship. Of 41.59, that is a second yellow card. Therefore, that becomes a red card on 41.59 for match number 32. And we have our official scores flying to the screen as the Red Alliance airship crosses that finish line first for a Red Alliance score of 320, Blue Alliance 145.